Hey friends, welcome to the May Craft Along box. And I'm going to be using red, white, and blue and a little bit of stain on this one, y'all. And the stinking cute bow that I'm going to make with this denim ribbon. Anyway, I am using candy apple red for the red. And I am using cadet for the blue. Now, these colors are just suggestions. They're what I'm using. You can totally use whatever colors you have. I'm using chalk paste because it covers so well. So the first thing I'm doing is painting everything that I'm going to use the red for, everything for the blue, and then we're going to move on to the whites. And y'all, this is stinking easy. You can put one coat or two coats depending on, if you want it to look rustic or not. And I am going to do a little bit of distressing with some white paste and some of the stain. So now I'm going to paint the back, and I'm actually going to put two coats on here. I'm drying in between, but you totally don't have to. And I'm going to use a skewer to remove the paint a little bit from my lines on this board. I probably should have just done one coat, but hey, I'm extra, right? So now this is that skewer where I'm like just running it through the shiplap lines so that they show a little bit more. And it's so stinking easy. Y'all, I love how this turns out. Now be sure to watch to the end because we added some floral pieces and the ribbon for this kit. And we hope you guys love it as much as we do. Now let's clean this up a little bit. I used that LA Awesome spray to clean my mat. Now I'm just going to take a little sponge and sponge on the Dixie Belle stain color. I love using this. It's so easy, and you don't use very much at all. Now you could wipe this back and make it a little lighter. And then after I dry it, I'm going to put a few little white streaks on here to kind of age it a little bit, make it look just a little bit rustic. And then I'm going to take that same stain and dab it a little bit around on my white pieces, dry it really well, and now let's glue it all on. I'm using a paintbrush and the glue to spread it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these little blue pieces in, and then that way I'm making sure that it fits right. So then I'm going to go ahead and glue those in one at a time. I want to make sure I get them in the right place because they kind of interlock like a little bit of a puzzle. Now let's put the star on there. And y'all, I did put glue on the red, but for some reason it didn't record. So we're gluing it all on. There we go. Now you could just stop right here, leave it just like this. It's stinking cute. But we gave you guys a little bonus of some floral pieces, and I'm just going to glue them around. This is for a totally different look, but like I said, you don't have to use them, or you can use whatever you like, whatever you have. But we wanted to throw this in there and show you how we used it. And what do you think about this denim bow? I love it. You'll see at the last picture, I did kind of move that greenery and those white flowers around a little bit. But, hey, just play with them and, create the look you want. I'm just plopping those in. What do y'all think? We love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.